If you have the skill sets to get a job done, does it really matter what you use to get it done? At AM.CO.za, we often get asked why our products are so cheap. But we don't think that's the right question to ask. The correct question is, how can we make it even cheaper?
We do an enormous amount of printing, and I absolutely love the AM brand, and I wouldn't go anywhere else.
I'm a full-time knife maker, and I'm super happy with my AM machine.
We use a CNC machine from AM.CO.za because this machine gives us the consistent precision that we are looking for.
We are really happy with our AM machines, and the prices are amazing.